What's up, guys? This is a quick video to inform you of new travel updates for checking into the Bahamas. Whether you are checking into Bimini or anywhere else in the Bahamas, this update will apply. I will scroll the post in the video so you can read it if you want, but I plan to sum it up. Links to this page will be below, as well as the links for Bahamas Health Visa application. To summarize, everyone, whether vaccinated or not, will need to obtain a negative COVID test and fill out the health visa paperwork 72 hours before arrival day. Originally, they were planning on everyone needing to obtain a negative RT-PCR test, but that has been suspended for now, and fully vaccinated travelers can still submit a negative rapid antigen test. All persons remaining in the Bahamas for longer than 48 hours will be required to undergo a second rapid antigen test, regardless of vaccination status. If you are planning to take your own boat, we have a Bimini crossing how-to video. A link will be below and on the end screen. I will also include our Dry Tortugas crossing video just in case you plan to stay in the States. Let us know in the comments if you are planning a trip to the Bahamas, when, or if the travel restrictions make it just not worth the effort. Hit the like below to let us know you appreciate our time to make these videos, and frigate out.